Right, where are we? Remember where we are?
No.
Hawes Water. Right, that'll be Hawes Water down there. And we, Clarkson and I, are heading up. Where are we? Here. I think that's where we're going. How you doing, mate?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah. Doing amazing.
Look at that. There he goes. Legend. You okay, mate?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah. Right, well, we took the middle path and then we thought, hang about, just don't feel right. So we went back and went on the right hand path, and now it took us into the middle of nowhere, off any track. So we're now kind of like a little bit lost, aren't we, mate?
Yeah.
And Numpty here didn't bring a proper map. So I'm now thinking the path is the one right behind me now, the one which we should have stayed on at the very beginning.
Yeah, but it's right there.
Yeah.
It's right over there.
So, sun's out. So we're going to try and get back on that path somehow and take us to our little lake, which should be just around that corner. Crikey, get a map, dickhead. Whew, right, we got back on the track. Hurrah! And it's
There's
a
some
proper
people
path.
down there.
Yep, we got on track. There's Hawes Water behind us. So,
Yeah.
small water should be up there behind this track. You ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
We made it.
We made it. There it is. Oh my God. Why didn't I just trust my instinct and just stay on the bloody path?
I know, I could just soak it.
And now we've got wet feet and everything, haven't we?
Soaking socks.
Yeah.
The relief that we're here. And
Right.
some more people.
Right, we're going to go around this side of the lake, okay, mister? Alright, well, we finally found it. We finally got to the town we were looking for.
Oh my God, of course I did.
Yeah, we did get a little bit lost. I didn't take the right path. Well, I did take the right path and I changed my mind, went back to another path and got really lost it with Clarkson. We had to walk like about, I don't know. No, what are you doing, man? We had to walk about a mile through bog to get back onto the right track. But anyway, here we are.
That was one.
Yeah. Not quite there, is it, darling?
Find me a good skipper, okay?
I found you loads of good skimmers.
I think this is the one that we need. Okay?
Go on then.
I found it.
Yeah, really? Go on then. Try again. No, rubbish. Look, there'll be no rocks. There'll be no beach left in a minute, mate, if you keep chucking them all in the water. Yeah. What you got?
Hoops.
Hula hoops. Yeah, lad. So yesterday we walked, you can't really see it, that path, there's a path, it's a bit vague on here. We walked all the way up it, followed that waterfall, all the way up to that plateau at the top. There was nothing, was there? Like, just a bog.